is Candy here with Crazy Eight's Life, and I am going to attempt to do this video, although there's a lot going on today, so we'll see how it goes. So today I have a Wantable unboxing, and I did not realize that it was coming. I must have done an automatic monthly box or something. So I was not expecting this box, but I did get one for this month. It is March of 2021, and let's go ahead and check this box out. All right, so the first thing is the return mailer. So any item that you don't want to keep, you just stick back in this and stick it in your mailbox and they will return it for you. And here is the return label, the items, and your notes. You do have 5 days to return, and I have actually had this sitting for a couple days, so I do not have much time. Hi Candace, spring has almost sprung. Get ready for the new season with these lovely fresh styles as we make the transition to the warmer months. I included a mix of pieces to refresh your looks and flex to whatever is on your agenda. Since you mentioned going on vacation, I sent an amazing pair of versatile and stylish shorts. You can dress these up with one of the dressier tops and a pair of sandals, or dress them down with a graphic tee and sneakers. Thank you for sharing your try-on link. I enjoyed watching your try-ons. Let us know what you think of everything. We appreciate your feedback. Take care. Enjoy, Mesa. So let's go ahead right now and see what is in this month's box. Okay, so the first thing is this super soft varsity color block Hachi top, light gray. It is $49, and it is so soft. I love this material. I do not know that I need a long sleeve top right now, but this is light enough weight that it would be really nice to throw on over something in a chilly evening. And we do camp, so I probably could get some use out of this. It's so super comfy. So we'll see. The next item, I believe, let's see. It is a polka dot. So this is going to be the sleeveless polka dot side tie top in black and ivory by Supply and Demand, and it is on clearance. So it is $27, which is awesome. I can use some clearance items right now. So there is the polka dots. I'm trying to see this design. Oh, I guess it's tied. So it's not, it is supposed to be tied. It's not. That's why it kind of looks a little different right now hanging. So down here at the bottom, it just kind of ties up. So I will tie it up when I try it on so you can see that. But $27 is a great deal for that. It's like a blouse, so you can tell it's great quality. And then the next thing is a sleeveless floral woven knit wrap top in black wine in a medium, $48. There we go. So this is floral print on the top, the front, and then in the back it is black with just the floral print at the top. I think that's a cute top too. We'll see what it looks like on. All right, so the next item is a domestic Good Vibes graphic tee in gray, $44. Oh, their quality is always so good. Oh my goodness. 1962 Good Vibes. That's a super cute tee. I do like gray. I love gray. So I love the cactus on here. So we'll have to see. All right, the next top is the Airy Slub Crossroads tee in desert white. It is $38 by Z Supply. And this is a super versatile, just easy, lightweight top. I really actually like it. It has a little bit of detail up here, but not too much. It looks maybe like it'd be a little see-through. We'll see once we have it on, but it's a good top. So far, this is a really nice a box. Oh, and we got a dress, a cozy cover stitch dress in plum. It is $34, and this is also on clearance. It is long sleeves, but it is only $34. This is gonna be hard if I like all these. So kind of, and I actually like that the neck goes down a little bit. This is the last item, and these are the shorts. Oh my goodness, and they're by Vegos, and I love that brand so much. I do not know if I do like white shorts, but I feel like I always stain them. Although I've had a couple lately that have been okay, and I've kept, or like jeans that I've kept for quite a while, so we'll see. That's it for the items. I am excited to try them on. I think that she did a great job. I will go try these outfits on for you, and I will be right back. All right, guys, I have the first dress on. This is the Cozy Cover Stitch Dress in Plum. It is by Nisha, and it is on clearance for $34. It was originally $68, it looks like. So that's a pretty good discount. Not a really deep V-neck, but just kind of a small one, which is kind of nice. So there's the dress in the front, and then I will turn around. So there's that dress. I will be right back with the next clothing item. Okay guys, so I have two items on now. I did put the shorts on. I also have the Sleeveless Floral Woven Knit Wrap Top in black and wine. It is $48. So this is the wrap top. So it kind of wraps here. It's kind of hard to tell with all the floral. But so tank V-neck wrap. In the back, it is solid with just the floral detail on top. And then along with that, I have the Vegos shorts, high-rise button front short, and they are $48. Vegos is a brand that I usually really typically love. They're comfortable, they wear so well. A lot of my jeans that I get from these boxes are ones that I wear all the time. Okay, I got interrupted for a second, so I really don't know where I was, but I think I was on the shorts. And these are Vegos high-rise button up shorts. And I am not sure. I feel like maybe they feel really good, but I feel like maybe they're a tad tight as far as the way they look. So I'm not sure, but other than that, I really do like them. Let me show you the shorts a little bit. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the outfits and what you think I should keep. And also, if you like unboxing videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you get other videos from me. Okay, the next top that we have is the sleeveless polka dot side tie top and in black. It retails for it retails for, I can't even read this. I don't have my glasses on. It looks like $54, but it is on clearance for $27. So let's see what you guys think of this top. V-neck. Again, it's not a wrap top, but it does have a diagonal so that it kind of ties down here on the side. So pretty simple. It's super soft. It's like a blousey material, but it's so just really soft. It's really well made. So there's that, and I will be right back with the next one. All right, guys, I am back with the graphic tee. It is a domestic Good Vibes in gray, and it is $44, which I always think, like, I like their tees, but I feel, and they're such good quality. Like, I get most of my t-shirts from Target, and they're great, but I wear through them, and I just buy kind of the same ones over and over. This material is so nice, and I have noticed that with every t-shirt that I have gotten from Wantable. That being said, here is the t-shirt on with the shorts. I'm just leaving the shorts on with everything, whether it goes well with it or not, but we're looking at the t-shirt. So here it is, and let me know what you guys think of this t-shirt. Okay guys, I am back with the next t-shirt. This is the Airy Slub Crossroads tee in Desert White. It is $38 and it is made by Z Supply. And this top is somewhat see-through. So I guess just keep that in mind. But I didn't change anything. So it's super cute. I wish that it would be a little, well, less see-through. I like the weight of it. It's very lightweight and it's nice. But, you know, I guess just with the right colored bra on it, maybe just fine. So anyways, this is that tee. And I will be right back. Very last item in this box is this kind of sweatshirt. It is the Super Soft Varsity Color Block Hachi Top, light gray. It is $49. And it is so, sorry. It is so soft and comfortable. And I feel like I got this or one very similar before. But I'm not sure, but it's so soft and comfy. But it is really nice right now because it's actually really chilly. We've had a couple of great days and I turned off the heat and now it's cooling off. So it feels really good right now. And there it is, kind of tucked out. And the back. And anyways, that is all I have in this Wantable box. I thank you for watching. Let me know what you think, and I will place the prices in the video. If you keep 5 items, you do get a discount. My discount would be $57.60. So the total price of this box would be $288 if I kept everything. And then with keeping 5, and then I get my styling fee back, which is $21. Total of all of these items in this box would be $225. There are 7 items. And if you purchase less than 5, you're just getting them for what the prices say in here. Now there are 2 clearance items in here, the dress and the sleeveless polka dot top. If I got 5 items with those 2 clearance items, this box could be a pretty good cheap box. So let me know what you guys think. That's all that I have for tonight, and I hope that you guys have an awesome day. I will see you next time. Bye. I will try these on. I'll try these outfits.